see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good afternoon, hapon na. Hindi, 12:30. Kaya hapon na, ayan. Nagluluto lang ako ng tanghalian namin. Ito yung giniling na pork kasi may tira pa akong pork dyan na giniling. And sinutay ko lang siya sa garlic, onions, and capsicum kasi may konti pa akong capsicum. Ayoko yun masayang. So, linagay ko siya dyan. Then, yeah, sinutay ko and then naglagay ako ng carrots, potato, and peas. And dahon ng laurel. So, yun. And pantimpla ko is eto. And naglagay po ako nito, yung orange. 'Di ba? Kanya-kanyang trip lang 'yan sa pagluluto. And masarap siya, in fairness. So, yan ang linagay ko dyan. And naglagay ako ng tomato paste, salt and pepper, and sugar. And ngayon naman, yung mga bata, nandito na pala sila Kuya Tija, tsaka si Sa. Pasensya nyo ng buhok ko. Galing doon sa, sa shed ni Dad. Ayun sila, oh. What's going on? Andun sila, oh. Si Kuya, ayan. Ang init. Oy! Careful, Holly. Nagluto rin pala ako ng basmati rice kasi, ayan. Kasi mag-aaligi rice. Yes, aligi rice. And, magluluto rin ako ng igado. Ang daming lulutuin. Paakala naman may bisita. Wala. Ganito ako pag sa bahay na wala akong, walang ganap, walang ginagawa. Kung anong meron ako, magluluto ako. So, yan ang aking ganap today. And maglilinis yun ang init kasi maggalaw. Sobrang init ngayon talaga. Gusto ko sa alisin yung Christmas tree para maayos ko yung kwarto ni Holly. Kasi sobrang init. As in, so sabi ko magluto muna ako and then isipin ko kung ngayon ko ba itatanggalin or bukas. Basta, bahala na. Basta ngayon, nasa mood ako magluto. So, yun na muna. Luto-luto muna ako ngayon dito sa kusina. Ayan, ready na ang aking panonoorin. Ito yung my ID is Gangnam Beauty. So, yan ang papanoorin ko habang ako ay naghihiwa. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Mag-iingat akong hindi ko mahiwa ulit ang aking kamay. So, yan. Yan ang aking gagawin and ready na yung aking mga lagay ng basura. And ayan, meron pang eggplants. And tinawagan ko si Jam para bilhan niya ako ng ginger. Ayan yung mga bata. And ayun, umiiyak na naman ang aking mga tupi. And as always, nag-change yung mind ko. Ang panonoorin ko na lang itong Devilish Joy. Ayan. And hi daw. Hi. Upo ka dun, Baba. Upo ka dun. Not on the table. You might fall.
I sit.
No, you sit. You might fall. You're gonna hit your head. And hindi na rin ako magluluto ng aligi rice. Ito na sana yung aking basmati rice. Baka bukas or next time. Kasi sabi ni Jan, ang dami ko raw na kung makakain ko daw ba lahat. Kasi ang dami ng ito yung, hoy, cover your mouth!
What is this?
What is this? So, this is yung, yung giniling. Sabi ni Jan, ang dami daw nito. So, sabi niya, paano ko raw pagkakasyahin yun sa aking chan? No, Baba! Okay, you try. You've been trying it for... Okay, you try. Kanina ka pa try na. Ay! Blow first. Hot, blow. Okay. Kanina pa yan po titigim. Makita niyo yung lips. Palibot na ng sauce. Si Jan, sabi niya, lutuan ko siya ng mashed potato. Kasi, no, Baba. Ilagay ko muna to dyan kasi si Holly. You don't mix! Get down, please. So, yan. Magluluto na ako ng igado. Ito naman si rice. Oh, okay. Down na, please. Ayokong maupo doon kasi eto, tatabihan na naman ako. Ang tagal na naman namin dito sa kusina.
What's that?
This is, what's this? Bowl.
Bowl.
Okay, alis ka na dyan.
This.
That is bawang.
Ano?
What's that?
Bawang.
Bawang. Andito na pala si Jan. Ito yung pinabili ko sa kanyang ginger. So yan, maghiwa na ako. Yeah, yes, you can eat ginger if you want.
I like.
Huh?
I will eat ginger.
You're not gonna eat ginger?
I will eat ginger.
You're gonna eat ginger? Okay. Well, get down now. Okay. Why don't you get your, where's your cooking ware? Where is it? Baba na ikaw, baba. Get your stuff. Come on. Be careful. Careful. Careful, see? Told you, be careful. Okay, see ya. So, ito yung papanoorin natin. So, yan. Mag-iwan na ako nito and manunod ako ng Korean. And si Oli nandun siya, kumuha siya ng pagkakaabalahan niya. Ay, ang gapo. Ayun na po siya. Inisa-isa niya na yung... Ito yung mga bago niya. Mayroon siyang carrots. Tapos mayroon siyang chopping board. Oh, upo ikaw. You don't stand. Opo. And this is your knife. Okay, cut your vegetables. Like mommy, look. See? Mommy cutting. Cut yours. Wrong. Like this way, Baba. Like this way. Okay, like that. Siya na lang panoorin niyo. Oh. Say, welcome to my kitchen. Again, welcome to my kitchen. Use your other hand. Your right hand. Ayan sila. You share. Sharing is what? And meron siya dito, oh. Okay, you cook.
What's in there? What's in there? Nothing. You touched it? Wow.
Oh, wrong. This is knife like this. This, you're gonna cut yourself. Don't cut yourself. Be careful. Like that. Like mommy. See, mommy? Like this. Good girl.
Add more.
Here, you have to cut on the chopping board. Wow! Good girl. Wow! You put here after you cut. Put here like mommy. Diba? Busy din siya. Para hindi niya ako anuhin. No, you chop on the chopping board and then you put it after you cut it.
What's that?
This is eggplant.
Really?
No, you can't. This is mommy.
You know, I'll like watch. Anyway, more.
Okay. What are you cooking?
Sisay.
Opo, ikaw. Ay. Opo. Oh, you're gonna fall. Look at your chair. Ay, nako. Ayan, may eggplant din siya. Oh.
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Say, talong.
Tango. What is it?
This one. Talong.
Say tango.
Say, talong.
Tango.
Talong. Oh, see? Like mommy. Oh, talong.
Tango.
No, that's yours. This is... You wanna touch? Oh, touch. Opo, ikaw. Opo.
Tango.
Talong.
Tango.
You cut talong like mommy, okay? See, like this. You copy mommy. Wow! Mommy, put your hair up.
Wow. Do this. What's this?
Cook now here.
No, not that. This. I got this.
Oh, you wanna cut?
Yeah, I got it, mommy.
Like mommy. Very good.
My hat is hot. No. No dots. It's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Don't touch. Very good. Good girl.
Done.
You done? Is it hot?
No, that.
Don't touch. It's hot.
See that.
Oh, is it hot?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. You have to use your spoon.
Hmm?
Yeah, you have to use your spoon.
Yeah.
Yes,
Too hot.
it's too hot.
Yeah. Hi. Look at that. Hot. See that. Ow. Ow. I see that.
Hmm?
Hot. What's the noise?
Hmm?
What's the noise?
Oh, my knife.
I just got that.
Yeah. Go sit down lang,
I
please.
need to know knife.
Be careful with my knife.
Yeah.
Okay, you careful to. Upo ka there. You're done?
Two. What's
That's carrots.
that?
Say carrots. You like carrots?
Yeah.
Is it masarap?
Davi.
Zach, are you ready to eat?
Oh, yes.
Have you eaten something yet today?
Because I eat breakfast.
Well, breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Bo.
Huh? What's that?
Everything.
Tea is ready.
Yeah.
Is it yummy? Is it masarap? That's tomato.
Yeah. I read it.
Say kamatis.
What is
Ka.
that?
Matis.
What is
What have you got? Where'd you get that from? Pink mom. Or a live.
Wow. The strawberry one. There, in the pantry.
Here, here, here.
Tapos na ako mag-cut ng eggplants and meron na rin akong na-chop na garlic, ginger, onions, and sili. Dapat maraming sili sa igado para sa akin kasi gusto ko maanghang yung aking igado. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman, siguro 2 or 3. Sa akin, ang linalagay ko 8 or 10 pieces na yung mahaba, yung parang pangsinigang. So, ayan. Tapos, may 2 akong coconut milk. And, syempre, yung atay nandun. Mamaya, ipakita ko sa inyo. So, mag-iinit lang ako ng kawali. And, umalis na yung ating sidekick. Oops, yung pinapanood ko. Maganda yung pinapanood ko. Atay ko muna habang kausap ko. Ayun, ang gwapo niya. Oh, diba? So, ayan yung pork liver. Kunti lang. Isa lang tong liver. Kasi nga, ako lang naman kakain. Pero, dinamihan ko ng eggplants kasi mag-shrink naman yan later. So, ayan. Nagpapainit lang ako ng oil. Duguan. Nuna ko yung, yung ginger. Then, isusunod ko yung onions tsaka garlic. And, ayan, sinunod ko na yung, sinunod ko na yung onions. Then, next nyan, yung garlic. Linagay ko na yung garlic, tapos linagay ko na rin yung sili or chili kasi nga konti lang naman siya. Gusto ko umanghang na ba siya kasi konti lang siya. So kaya sinabay ko na. Usually hinuhuli ko yan pag marami. Pero ngayon sinabay ko. Then isusunod ko na yung liver. Sutay lang. And ayan, ibubuhos ko na yung atay. Hinanang muna natin yung apple. Inuna ko yung ginger para lumabas na ba yung katas niya. Kasi malansa yung liver, diba? So, ayan. Sutay lang ito. So, ayan. Ayan, inalis ko muna yung atay. Sinutay ko lang talaga siyang saglit kasi ayoko siyang ma-overcook. So, ngayon, naglagay ako ng konting onions and garlic dito. Then, yung gata. Kasi titimplahan ko yan. Then, lulutuin ko yung eggplants. And then, after maluto at okay na yung lasa, ilalagay ko na ulit yung atay. Ako ng asin. Konti lang na asin muna. Ayan, konti lang. Dagdagan natin. So, ayan. And, eto yung vegeta. Pwede rin magic sarap. Kahit anong seasoning. Kayo nang bahala. And then, maglalagay ako ng sugar. Then, haluin ko lang muna. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung eggplant. Then, yeah, update ko kayo mamaya. So, ayan, ilagay muna natin to. Oops. So, lutuin ko lang siya. And, pag okay na yung lasa, ibabalik ko yung yung atay. Kumukulo na siya. Ganyan ang kulay niya. Oops, nausukan. Ganyan ang kulay niya kasi yung sabaw dito, binuhos ko doon. Kaya ayan, parang na siya. Brown. May pagka-brown. Tama ba? Or dirty white. Pakulang ko lang hanggang lumambot yung talong. Then ilalagay ko na yung atay. So ayan, ilalagay ko na yung atay kasi malambot na yung talong. Ayan. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Then, nahaluin ko saglit. Oops, nauusukan kayo. So, ayan, lulutuin lang natin yung atay. Then, maglalagay ako ng konting suka. Konti lang. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Tapos, takpan ko siya. Mamaya ko na siya hahaluin. Kunin ko na yung takpan. So, ayan, takpan ko siya. And, yeah, update ko kayo mamaya. So, ayan, binuksan ko na, hinalo ko na. And then, maglalagay ako ng chili flakes. Kasi nga, gusto ko talaga siya maanghang. As in, masarap to pag sobrang anghang. Para sa akin ha, kasi mahilig ako sa maanghang. Ayan. So, yan. Yeah, tapos na to. Ayan, si Holly nanonood siya ng ng vlog. So, yan, okay na siya. Next time, gagawa ulit ako yung maraming sili and yung marami ng atay. Kasi ako lang naman ang kakain. Ito nga ang dami na nito. Pero bigyan ko, siguro bigyan ko yung mother-in-law ko. So, ayan na siya, oh. Ayan. O, yun. Ang sarap niya. So, ayan yung igadong may gata. So, ayan. Kain na kami. Si Holly. Nag-pray siya. Nag-pray siya. Okay. Head over the plate, please. Good girl. And ayan na si Zaki. How is it, Zaki? Good. Malabo. Ayan si Kuya. Kagigising lang. Kasi pagod na pagod sila kahapon sa dun sa shed ni Dad. Did you sleep well in the tent? No.
I took my spot when I woke up in the middle in the night, so I had to move the end with no rugs. And someone put me into Zach's spot, and Zach was facing the other one.
Oh.
Right? I was facing like this. That's why I had to sleep there.
Yeah, kasi pagdating niya, naglaro silang konti, din natulog si Kuya. So, ayan. Si Zach, nandidiri siya. Mukha siyang hindi kagandaan ang itsura, pero ang sarap niya. Kung Bicolano kayo, kung alam niyo itong igado, alam niyo kung anong ibig kong sabihin. Ang sarap niya, lalo na pag sobrang anghang. Do you wanna try, Zach? Just try this one. This is the eggplant. Try the eggplant.
I tried it before.
Yes, you did. Hindi. Just try, like that. You can spit it out. Just try. It's yummy. It's pork. I just put coconut milk. Nandidiri si Zach.
I tried.
You try, Baba. Okay. Good girl. Try, Baba. It's yummy. It's yummy. Ew daw. Ito lang yung hindi nila tinikman na luto ko. Are you gonna try or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Open, please.
This.
No Supa Dupa. Hurry up. Yeah, for Supa Dupa, you try. Hurry up. Come on.
I big.
Okay, only little. Okay, only little. It's yummy. Oh, Cho. Cho. No Supa Dupa. Come on. Okay, try. It's yummy. With rice, it's yummy. You can spit it out if you don't want. I always say that to you. You have to try it. If you don't like it, you can spit it out. I know. Is it spicy? What's wrong, Baba? It's spicy? It's spicy. Oh, at least trinay ni Zach, diba? Hindi niya ni-spit. Hindi niya dinura. Good boy, Zach. Eto, never talaga yan si Kuya. Kasi parang yan si daddy niya. Pero kumakain siya ng mga Filipino food. Pero yung mga parang mga weird na ganito ang itsura. Hindi. Huh? Mommy eat na daw. Oh, tama rin raw ng chika. Mommy eat na nga. Sige, eat na tayo. Ha? Kuya. Yan yung atay, oh. Sarap.
Do you know his watch?
For what?
Football.
Inumin ko to. May isa pa akong natira yung tamarind na nectar. No. And then, naglagay ako ng chili flakes kasi gusto ko talaga sobrang anghang. Yes.
Did you put that?
No, I put the other one, the coconut milk. This is not coconut milk, Kuya.
I also.
Huh? And tamarind. Si Zach, malapit na siya. Patapos na siya, oh. You want more rice, Zach?
No, I'm full.
No, thank you.
I'm full.
Okay. How about your plate? Remember. Full na. How about you? Are you full? No? Okay, eat.
I'm just eating them.
Are you done? No? Tingnan niyo, malapit na. Ang dami niya. You wanna eat all?
I'm done.
Are you done?
No. No, I'm done.
You're not yet done. Okay. Head over your plate. Good girl. Humingi siya ng tubig. Drink your water. Yes.
I'm alright, please.
Oh, you want more rice? Si Kuya gusto pa ng rice. Yan, tapos na si Kuya. Mag-ano sila? Mag-golf sila. What time is your golf, Kuya?
3:30.
3:30. You done? Yeah, okay. Tapos na raw siya, oh. Very good. Did you drink your water? Drink your water, please. Good girl. Yes, okay.
Oh, Daddy.
You're gonna go outside?
Yeah.
Tapos na yung mga kuya niya. And ako, ayan, kuha pa ako ng rice. Ang lakas nito sa rice, as in. Kuha pa ako ng rice. Ayan, second round. Malakas lang talaga akong kumain. Next year na lang tayo mag-diet. And ayan, wala na yung mga bata. Nasa labas na. And then, eto, manood na ako nito. Ayan, ang cute niya, oh. Ganda. Ayan, nagre-ready na sila kasi mag-golf na sila. Holly, iiyak na naman to. Naglalagay lang sila ng sunscreen. And ako, eto pa rin. Makain. And ayan, ang ganda ng ng dramang to. First episode pa lang to. Ang cute na. This na sila. See you. And play good. And enjoy it, okay? Nice.
What is Zach waving with his new driver?
What do you mean? Why? He doesn't have a driver?
He has one.
He has one now?
That one.
Here's Zach.
Is
Take
that-
it, Holly.
Si Holly bigyan na lang na super lupa para hindi siya umiyak. Baka mag ako.
you, Mommy.
See you na.
Mom, Dad, we haven't Taylor.
No, because mommy
Oh, yeah,
cooked food.
Taylor this too.
Love you.
Love you.
And
Mom,
no, not listen, learn.
No,
What you have to do, you only have to think about your.
self.
You don't worry about.
Other people.
That's right. And what else?
Say
Just
bye.
See you.
listen and practice.
Listen and practice and enjoy.
Enjoy.
Okay, say see you to guys now. Say
See you, Dad.
where you going? Tell them where you're going.
Golf.
Golf. Okay, see
Yeah.
you. See you to your little sister. Oh. Ay, hindi siya iyak kasi may super good.
Hey,
Hey, say
Daddy!
good luck. Say good luck to Kuya Zach. Good girl. Nakita niya?
Yeah.
See ya. See you soon. Sabi ni Holly na. See you soon. Love
See
you.
you soon.
Gagamitin niya na.
See you, Papa. Yeah. See you. Are you not problem we go?
No. Ay, put an ABC na, please.
Okay. You want ABC? Yeah. Okay.
Gagamitin na ni Zach yung regalo ni Santa Claus sa kanya na golf stick. Right, Nak?
Yeah, I know you do sticks and I have buggy.
Ang init. Hindi kami sasama. Sobrang
I got buggy borders.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
Maglulobot
See
na
ya.
rin. So, yeah, see you na, guys. So,
See
yun na
ya.
yung vlog today. Magpa-flat na yung
I
battery.
see you tomorrow. So I see you when you come back.
When you come back, magtutupi
when I
ako.
come back.
Okay, magtutupi ako after nito. After
See
ko
ya.
kumain. See you. Ang kulit ni Sa. See you, ayan.
See when
Magpa-flash.
the flag dawn. Bye, bye.
Okay, bye. Nagpa-flash na yung
Bye,
battery.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Holly.
Kiss.
Kiss daw, Kuya Zach ko.
How? See you soon.
See you soon daw. See
See you soon.
See you soon. Okay, ayan.
I see you when I come back.
Alright, okay. See you.
Bye.
Yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog.
See you in my next vlog.
Magtutupi ako after nito.
Yeah, come bye. Bye.
Ayan, hanggang nagtutupi pa ako. Ayun, dyan na sila. Hi, boys.
Holly.
Wow! What you got?
I came first again.
Oh, good
At
job.
Hungry Jack's, I can get a free Whopper and a junior water.
And Hungry Jack.
Yeah.
And you get... How about you, Baba?
Zach just got a Whopper that's a Whopper and junior and that.
You came third?
Yeah.
That's not bad, Baba. That's good. Oh, Daddy said you done good. Well done. Yeah.
Last holiday.
Good job, boys.
I was starting to win now. You just went past me.
It's alright. That's good. Pakainin ko na sila. Ayan, nagtutupi pa rin ako. And ayan. Nanonood pa rin.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.